Hello and welcome to the REST API versus GraphQL versus gRPC, the complete guide course, another installment in the software architecture series. In this course, we will learn about the major web APIs in the industry right now and how to select the best one for your needs. Now, why did I create this course? Why do we need to compare these APIs? Well, first, these three APIs are the most popular web APIs in the industry right now, and you should be at least familiar with the major capabilities of them. Next, it's not always clear which one to use, and it's easy to get confused and make decisions based on non-relevant factors when selecting API. Each API has its own pros and cons, and it's really important to be aware of them. And lastly, it's really difficult to move from one API to another. So once you made the decision and developed your API and then found out you went for the wrong one, it's not easy to migrate to a different one. And this is exactly what we are going to learn in this course. So by the end of this course, you will know the main concepts and best practices of REST API, GraphQL, and gRPC. You will know the pros and cons of each one. You will be familiar with a decision tree to help you decide between them. And of course, you will be a much better developer and architect. So, who am I? My name is Memi Lavi, a senior software architect and consultant with more than 20 years of experience as an architect. Here is a very partial list of my clients and my diverse technology stack. I'm a certified Azure Solution Architect and an avid speaker. Great, so let's go.